Did you know that baking soda isn't just for baking? That humble box in your cupboard is a bloody miracle worker. We're diving deep into the amazing health benefits of this kitchen staple. From soothing heartburn to boosting athletic performance, baking soda is a versatile and powerful ally for your health. Let's get cracking. Heartburn. It's a real pain, isn't it? That burning sensation, the nasty taste in your mouth. But before you chuck your dinner out the window, let me tell you about a little secret weapon: baking soda. Baking soda is a natural antacid. It neutralizes the excess acid in your stomach, the very same acid that's causing you all that grief. Just mix a teaspoon of baking soda with a glass of water, down the hatch, and feel the relief wash over you. But a word of warning, this is a temporary fix, not a long-term solution. If you're constantly battling the burn, it's time to see a doctor. Moderation is key. Too much baking soda can upset your stomach and leave you feeling worse than before. And don't use it if you're on a low-sodium diet. Baking soda is high in sodium, so there you have it. Baking soda, your new best friend in the fight against heartburn. Use it wisely. Want to shave seconds off your personal best? Push your body further than you ever thought possible? The secret isn't some fancy protein shake or expensive supplement, it's baking soda. That humble box in your pantry is a secret weapon for athletes of all levels. When you work out, your muscles produce lactic acid, causing fatigue and muscle soreness. Baking soda acts as a buffer, neutralizing the lactic acid and delaying muscle fatigue. That means you can train harder, longer, and recover faster. Start with a small dose, about a teaspoon mixed with water a few hours before your workout. And always listen to your body. If you start feeling nauseous or lightheaded, stop taking it and consult a professional. Remember, we're going for peak performance here, not a one-way ticket to the emergency room. So there you have it. Baking soda, the athlete's secret weapon. Use it wisely, train hard, and you'll be smashing your personal bests in no time. We're talking about oral hygiene, and no, I don't mean rinsing your mouth out with a cuppa. I'm talking about baking soda, the unsung hero of the bathroom cabinet. Baking soda is a natural abrasive, so it gently scrubs away surface stains on your teeth, leaving you with a sparkling smile. Forget those expensive whitening treatments. A bit of baking soda mixed with water is all you need for a brighter, more confident you. Baking soda also neutralizes acids in your mouth, fighting the bacteria that cause bad breath. But don't use it every day. Too much baking soda can wear down your enamel. Stick to using it a couple of times a week, and your teeth will thank you for it. Summer's here, the sun's out, and the bugs are out for blood. Mosquitoes, midges, those blasted gnats, they're enough to drive you bonkers with their incessant biting. But before you douse yourself in harsh chemicals, let me introduce you to a more natural solution. Baking soda. Baking soda's anti-inflammatory properties work wonders on those pesky bites, calming the redness and reducing the urge to scratch. Simply mix a paste of baking soda and water, apply it to the affected area, and feel the relief wash over you. It's gentle enough for even the most sensitive skin. So whether you're battling mosquito bites or those annoying little red bumps from a shaving mishap, baking soda has got you covered. But remember, if you're dealing with a severe allergic reaction, get yourselves to a doctor. We're talking about soothing minor irritations here, not performing open-heart surgery with a teaspoon of baking soda. So, there you have it. Baking soda, the all-natural, multi-purpose solution for all your summer skin woes. We're talking about your kidneys, those unsung heroes working tirelessly behind the scenes to keep your body in tip-top shape. They filter your blood, remove waste products, and generally keep everything ticking over nicely. Baking soda can help to balance the pH levels in your body. When your body is too acidic, it puts extra strain on your kidneys. Baking soda neutralizes excess acid, taking some of the pressure off your kidneys and helping them to function more efficiently. A small amount mixed with water a few times a week is all it takes to give your kidneys a helping hand. And as always, if you have any underlying health conditions or are taking medication, talk to your doctor before adding baking soda to your routine. We're talking about supporting your kidneys, not playing amateur chemist. So there you have it. Baking soda, the natural way to give your kidneys some well-deserved love. Want glowing, radiant skin that looks as good as a perfectly prepped souffle? Ditch the expensive creams and serums, because the secret to a flawless complexion might be sitting in your pantry right now. We're talking about baking soda, This kitchen staple isn't just for cakes and cookies. Baking soda acts as a gentle exfoliant, buffing away dead skin cells and leaving your skin feeling soft, smooth, and positively glowing. Simply mix a paste of baking soda and water, gently massage it onto your face in circular motions, and rinse off with warm water. But remember, moderation is key. We're aiming for radiant, healthy skin, not a raw, irritated mess. And for God's sake, avoid using it on broken or irritated skin. We've all been there. You open the fridge hoping for a refreshing snack and you're hit with a wall of stench that would make a skunk faint. But before you reach for the air freshener, let me tell you about a little secret weapon: baking soda. That humble box lurking in the back of your cupboard is a natural odor neutralizer. Simply leave an open container of baking soda in your fridge and watch as it works its magic, absorbing those nasty odors. Baking soda's odor-busting powers don't stop at the fridge door. Got smelly trainers? Sprinkle some baking soda inside, leave it overnight, and prepare to be amazed. Stinky gym bag? Baking soda to the rescue. Sprinkle some in the bottom, give it a good shake, and voila, freshness restored. So ditch the toxins and embrace the power of baking soda. Your nose will thank you for it. A long day, stressful commute, and your skin feels like it's been dragged through a hedge backwards. But before you reach for those expensive lotions and potions, let me introduce you to a little secret weapon: a baking soda bath. A simple soak in a tub of baking soda can do wonders for your skin, soothing irritation, reducing redness, and leaving you feeling like you've just spent a week at a luxury spa. The magic lies in baking soda's natural alkaline properties, which help to neutralize the pH balance of your skin. Simply add half a cup of baking soda to a warm bath, swish it around until it dissolves, and climb in for a long, luxurious soak. But remember, moderation is key. We're aiming for a soothing, therapeutic experience, not a chemical peel in your bathtub. So stick to the recommended amount, avoid using hot water, and always moisturize afterwards to lock in the moisture. And if you have any open cuts or sores, skip the baking soda bath altogether. There's been some interesting research on the potential role of baking soda in cancer therapy. Some studies suggest that baking soda might help to alkalize the environment around tumors, making it more difficult for cancer cells to thrive. The theory is that cancer cells prefer an acidic environment, and by increasing the pH level, baking soda might help to slow down tumor growth. But this research is still in its early stages, and more studies are needed to confirm these findings. It's essential to follow the advice of your healthcare provider and stick to your prescribed treatment plan. This information is for educational purposes only and should not be interpreted as medical advice. In today's world, we're bombarded with toxins from every angle: the air we breathe, the food we eat, the products we use. But before you pack your bags and head for the hills, let me tell you about a simple, natural way to give your body a helping hand in the detoxification department: baking soda. Baking soda can help to neutralize acids in the body, promote healthy digestion, and even draw out impurities through the skin. Try adding a teaspoon of baking soda to your bath for a detoxifying soak, or mix a small amount with water and drink it first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. But remember, moderation is key. We're aiming for gentle detoxification, not a volcanic eruption in your digestive system. And as always, if you have any underlying health conditions or are taking medication, consult your doctor before adding baking soda to your routine. So there you have it, you lot. Baking soda, the kitchen staple that does it all. From soothing heartburn to potentially supporting cancer therapy, this versatile ingredient deserves a standing ovation. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any more of these life-changing tips. Remember, while baking soda is a powerful ally for your health, it's essential to use it wisely and consult your doctor if you have any underlying health conditions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Now go forth and conquer those ailments with the power of baking soda.